What's going on, guys? TechLift here. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving the first impressions of the new iPhone 13 Pro Silver Edition. Let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. So right off the bat, guys, the box, nothing that you haven't seen already. A simple, clean, minimal box there with the iPhone itself, the iPhone text, the Apple logo, and that's pretty much it. There's really no way to distinguish what model this is, whether it's the Mini, whether it's the Pro Max, Pro, whatever one you decide to go with. But yeah, very clean, minimal. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. You have those two tabs at the top and the bottom. Nice little ASMR sounds. Oh, so clean, so satisfying to do. Now, this isn't my phone, that's why I'm not personally unboxing it, but I was behind the camera. Now, when we pop it open, you have the clean iPhone. Now, just there's something about getting a new iPhone that's just so satisfying and clean looking. It just makes you feel some type of way whenever you take it out of the box. Now, this is the Pro model. I personally have the Pro Max 12. And this isn't too far off of that besides the couple size differences, but right off the bat, we're going to take the little paper off. Oh, so satisfying, guys. I know everyone loves to pop off that first front sticker off of the phone. Now, it's so clean, so beautiful and minimal. The bezels on the side, just that chrome look, same on the cameras. It just looks so good and clean and just like a premium feel. If you guys saw my 12 Pro Max unboxing video, you guys know what I'm talking about. And then you have a Thunderbolt to Lightning cable, awesome for those fast charging speeds. I recommend getting yourself an Anchor power brick to go with that, and then literally the Apple stickers that you guys have always seen. Now, this is a short one, just the initial first impressions and unboxing of this phone, but yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. I have plenty more videos. I have another video coming this week since I know this video is extra short, so just be on the lookout for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. You guys are doing so well doing that lately, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.